Oh my god. Oh! Ow! This is literally just come on. It smells bad. It smells like sweat, dude. It has been raining for like, yeah, it would have been 2 weeks, yeah. Hey, don't jump on me. Don't jump on me, you muddy dog. Why are you so crazy? Oh my god. We had hails last night. Like, you can see like water. Like, hey, stop jumping! And yeah, we got hails. Like, they were like the size of one of those ping pongs. There you go. I got some things ready. I have like this question. How you get out? And I have a bucket of oats and this scoop of the of the vitamins, and I got kind of like a soybean wheat thing, and I got some fresh fruit. And grab this piece of pasta. And I'm trying to check on everything because like there's no overflutter. So I'm gonna make my bed right now because I just took a video of it. I have my windows open, coffee. So right now I'm gonna make my bed and I'm going to go for a minute of jog on a treadmill. So basically I've been writing my devotion today. I'm trying to do this like every day, like waking up at 5 in the morning, but then I can only wake up at like 6 in the morning. So yeah, I'm just doing this thing to do this pretty much. I don't know if it's focusing, but yeah, it's one of those holy Bibles, the one that we all know of, and it has like the daily refresh, like everyday devotions and prayers, guided prayers and stuff. It took a couple minutes because I thought this was very helpful to start my day, you know, it does. And I haven't been doing this for a very long time because I've been very, very distracted by a lot of different things. And then I've been falling into places all over the place, which is not good because that means I'm pretty like damaged from the inside. So yeah, I'm gonna do my I already did the first of the day, and I'm gonna do my guided prayers and go do some little bit of workout today, even though because this is like kind of a thing that I wanted to do every day, but I can't because I have work to do that start at 7 to 5. Yeah, it's a 10-hour job, and I'm fine with it. So yeah, so see you later. That's the first time. Laundry, just great. My bed was already made, and I literally did work out. I did this. This is like a 10-minute run on the treadmill, and then I have like a 3 minutes cool off, and 10 minutes ab workout, and it was pretty intense. It's a 10-minute ab workout, which is like non-stop. I just gotta keep going, and then have a moment of breathe, and then do another set. So yeah, that's what I did. So now I'm literally going to start standing this thing. There you go. All I'm saying. I have a moment that I need my dad. Even though I told myself I'm gonna do this by myself. Well, I have my dad for this, so. this is definitely like Friday morning, and this morning when I woke up like at 7:30, it was not look this dark. It was bright morning. Like it was like, oh my god, this is gonna be a beautiful morning. And then now it's 8:30 while I'm doing my Bible study, it started to rain. You know what? I guess we just have to be thankful and glorifying God. Like, oh my goodness. Like, we haven't even get started with planting. Like, it's the farm season and we're like a month behind of planting. Seriously. Now it's all making like puddles and stuff. All of these leaves were from hails yesterday, the night before. And yeah. So I'm doing my devotion, just writing things down, and then hopefully I will do Bible study. But I don't know yet because I have cleaning to do today instead of doing it tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to go to work for like the whole day. And yeah. Oh my goodness, it's like great. My coffee's gone. I don't even know what happened. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my devotion, workout, my 20-minute workout. I just move my body and then get ahead with cleaning and stuff. So yeah. Right. Take some time today to pray to God. Thank Him for all He has done for you. Tell Him your need. Think of a few people in your life that you can pray for throughout your week. Use every opportunity to pray to God. Amen. It's like, even though we do not pray very often as a Christian, but you know, most of the time we always have this moment like, man, I gotta feel thankful. Man, I gotta feel something, right? Basically, I haven't done much praying as I should be. Like I've like prayed occasionally because I've been very like distracted, very yeah. It's not really easy to be a Christian, to be honest. I gotta admit that. So, like being a Christian, you have so many. You have so many options in your life, and you have to pick the right choice that pleased God. So, yeah. What is up, guys? I'm trying to finish this piece of project. I have only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers to be doing, and I need to do this side as well. It's not halfway complete. I was just doing pieces to pieces, and I have like a piece of wood that was old wood, and I'm gonna sand it and then stain it.